Hello and welcome to Phuket Pal's GED Math Screencast. Today's lesson focuses on the area and perimeter of polygon. Area, perimeter, and other geometric topics show up in many questions on the GED test. Some geometric formulas you will need to memorize. Other formulas will be given to you. Even if you are given a formula, it is important to understand the basic concepts so that you can apply the formula correctly. Area and perimeter are concepts associated with two-dimensional figures. Area is measured in square units and tells how much space a figure takes up. Perimeter is measured in regular units and tells the distance around an object. As you work on area and perimeter, it is very important to know and understand the properties of the different polygons. By the way, what is a polygon? A polygon is any closed figure with three or more straight sides. Common polygons are rectangles, squares, and triangles. Rectangles are four-sided polygons in which opposite sides have the same measure. Remember, opposite sides have the same measure for rectangle. Squares are four-sided polygons in which all sides have the same measure. Again, all sides have the same measure. Triangles are three-sided polygons in which the sides can have the same measure or different measures. To find the perimeter of a polygon, you need to add the lengths of all of its sides. Let's try some examples. Find the perimeter. Again, perimeter tells the distance around an object. So it means we need to add all the sides of the given polygon. Now, let's try the example, the first example. What is the perimeter of the rectangle pictured? Even though you are given only two sides, you know that in a rectangle, opposite sides have the same measure. Therefore, the perimeter is 10 plus 2 plus 10 plus 2 is equal to 24 feet. Let's try the second example. A square has sides that each measure 10 meters. What is the perimeter of this square? Let's go back to the properties of square or to the definition of squares. It says all sides have the same measure. So for squares, to find the perimeter, all we need to have at least one side, then we can find the perimeter. So therefore, we have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equals to 40 in the unit meters. Okay, 40 meters. To find the area, there are different formulas for different kinds of polygons. Memorize the following formulas because they will be given to you on the GED test. Okay, the square is equals to length to the power of 2. Rectangle, the area is the product of the length and the width. For triangle, the area is the product of the base and height divided by 2 or multiplied by 1/2. Let's try some examples again. First, find the area of the triangle pictured. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. The height of the triangle is 6 feet. The base is 20 feet. Therefore, the area can be solved by multiplying the base and the height and 1/2. So we have 1/2. Okay, area is equals to 1/2 times base 20 times 6. The answer is 60 feet squared. Okay, another example. Adam has a table with a rectangular top that measures 3 feet by 2 feet. In square feet, what is the area of the tabletop? So remember, rectangular top. So we will be looking for the area of a rectangle that has a dimension or a measures of 3 feet by 2 feet. What is the formula for finding the area of a rectangle? Area is equals to length times the width. Okay, the length is 3 feet times 2 the width. So we have 6 feet squared. So the area is 6 square feet. Okay, last example. The area of a triangle is 20 square meters. If the length of its base is 10 meters, what is the height of the triangle? A question like this requires you to combine your algebra and geometry skills. Plugging the given information in the area formula. Okay, by the way, what is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? We have area is equals to 1/2. Okay, base times height. Okay. Okay, again, we are going to plug the given information in the area formula. So we have the area is 20, then we have 1/2, the base is 10, and height, okay, I'll put h for the height because we will be looking for the height. Now you can use the algebra to find h. by simplifying. Okay, to simplify, we have 20 is equals to 1/2 times 10, we have 5h. Then dividing both sides by 5, divided by 5, okay, we have h is equals to 4. So the height of the triangle is 4 meters. So this is the height. That's all for this video. If you want to know more about Phuket Pals, see our Facebook page or call us on 081-417-0978. If you find this video useful, please hit the subscribe button below